Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So guys, please watch this video to end. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about round shape cake design in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I provide you simple cake design for your celebrations, for your events, for your functions. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. Comment and tell me which designs you like the most. Comment your favorite designs. Comment 1 if you like any designs, if you like 1 more 2 3 4 up to so on any designs. Subscribe the Rimsha Decor for more. Don't forget to bell icon. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from. The designs are specially for your event, for your functions. Save this video for next event. Which design is your favorite? Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. Planning a birthday or wedding cake designs for you. 2026 most trending cake designs. Tag someone who needed this. Every design is easy and trending. Perfect for birthdays, wedding and parties. Comment your favorite design, shares with friends. These designs are looking so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I am sure cake design from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. Thank you so much everyone. Follow me for more.